As you know that R&D is an area which is neglected, very much stressed upon in India. So T-Works has created facilities where industries, particularly the mid-sized and smaller ones involved in supply chain of any industrial sector, they can come with their problem statements where we can connect them to startups. We have provided the facilities which otherwise to create will require a lot of investment. We have got trained manpower also. So what I see that T-Works can play a very big role in driving the innovation and creating prototypes. Make in India campaign which Government of India has launched.
The idea behind the industry innovation roundtable was that how do we work with the industry, that is how does T-Works work with the industry to solve problems not just from a functional prototyping stage but also as a co-location of R&D function. All the big industries are facing similar problems. For example, time to market for quick innovations, then finding startups or MSMEs which can support them in the bigger picture, which is Make in India. So there seems to be a common thread to all of these challenges.
I really look forward to exploring how we can have collaboration between the Mahindra Research Valley and T-Works so that we can quickly take forward a lot of our new ideas by quick, very fast prototyping and testing. I think this is a great opportunity for collaboration, bringing industry, academia and the startups community together here at Hyderabad.
I think the support needed, if I would say, both the government level and the industry has to come forward for the innovation and the skilling challenges. As we come from the skilling background, I would like to highlight that also. So it's not only the government which has to kind of make changes to the policies, support these kind of innovative ideas, and also the industry who has to take a step forward, along with academia to close these gaps so that we can create a cohesive environment.
So I think T-Works probably can go all out and make it more known across the country, because what I heard is T-Works aims to be national incubation center in that sense and not just Telangana. So maybe that is one thing that came out very, very clearly from the leaders that we have talked so far.
Today we completed an unprecedented manufacturing innovation roundtable, which was quite successful with industry leaders and all the innovation ecosystem partners and the bigger gamut of startups and MSMEs. We take a pride basically on doing this because we want to create a national incubation center with T-Works, bringing innovation together with all the ecosystem partners and creating an impact for the industry.
I'm very grateful to my team that they have put together this wonderful event. And it's not just an event, it's the beginning of something new. It is the beginning of the reinvention of T-Works in order to become very useful and more productive member of the innovation ecosystem across the entire country and not just in Telangana state.